morning and Jai Hind to all. Saraswati Sisukunj Bhagwala Borsad English Medium Standard 3rd Subject EVS. And today we are going to learn chapter number 14, Our Food. Students, in previous videos and in previous live class we learned chapter number 13, Sharing Our Feelings. Today we are correlate that lesson with our new lesson, Our Food. Okay, see here you can see two families photo. First one is family of Vinu and second one is a family of Rani. Here you can see there are some similarity and there is some difference also. Okay, see in the first picture you can see Venu's mother is making something and his father is sweeping the floor. In the same way, in Rani's family, only her mother is making food. Here we can see all family members are having lunch or dinner together. While in Rani's family, his father and his brother is having lunch or dinner and Rani is serving food. Here you can see Venu is doing cycling, his father and mother both are reading newspaper. And here we can see his father is reading newspaper while Rani and her mother is bringing something from market. So here we can see some controversy and some similarity between two families. Similarity means in both family, ladies means her mother is working but father is not working in Rani's family. Okay, and here Venu's father is sweeping the floor. So we should always have two together, that we learn in Sharing Our Feelings, chapter number 13. But here some peoples are not helping in their family, so it is not good. Okay, here you can see that which family you like most. Here two family members are there and two families pictures are there. Which family you like most? Yes, obvious, you will say Venu's family. Why? Because in Venu's family all family members are working. You can see mother, her father and Venu also making something, or he or she is doing some work. While in this family, in Rani's family, his father is reading newspaper but he is not helping to their mother and to Rani, so it is not good. Okay, so here we learn that we should always help to each other, and when we are having lunch together in our family, it creates healthy and lovely atmosphere, that we also learn in live class. Okay, so let's go ahead. Our food. So from where we can get food? Mostly we get food from two sources. First one is plants and second one is animals. Okay, so I am writing here. Mostly we get all the food items from plants and animals. Let's first we discuss about plants. Okay, so from plants we get cereal like millet, maize, paddy, wheat. Okay, so we can write cereals. All cereals we can write here: millet, jowar, wheat, paddy, etc. Next one is pulses. All kind of pulses we can get from plant like beans, moong, grain. Okay, such kind of pulses we can get from plants, and that pulses we can use as a food. Next one is fruit. We can get fruits from plants, and that fruits we can use as a food, like a mango, apple, banana, pomegranate, chiku. Okay, so we can say that things we can get from plant and that fruits we can use as a food. Next one is flower. We can use Parts of plant. We can use flower as a food. Flower is a parts of plant, and we can get all flowers from plant like a cauliflower, broccoli. Okay, so such kind of flower we can use as a food, and that we can get from plants. Leaves. There are some leaves. Some leaves we can use as a food, and that leaves we get from plants. Which plants food we can eat? Yes, fenugreek leaves, coriander leaves, then radish leaves, and spinach. All spinach we can use as a food, and those all are leaves. Okay. Stems. Now you will say, sir, which plant stem we are eating? Yes, we are eating sugarcane. You know, sugarcane, we are eating its stem. Sugarcane hasn't any fruit or flower, and it has leaves, but we are eating its stem. Next one is roots. Which plant's root we are eating as a food? Yes, we can say carrot, radish, carrot, potato. Those are roots of a plant, and that we are eating as a food. Let's see again. From plants we are getting all kind of cereal like maize, millet, paddy, wheat. Okay, pulses like moong, grain, beans, peas. Fruits like apple, mango, banana, pomegranate, chiku. Flowers like broccoli and cauliflower. Leaves like all spinach, fenugreek leaves, curry leaves, radish leaves. Stems like ginger and sugarcane. Roots like radish, carrot, and potato. Let's think about animals. Which things we get from animals that we use as a food? So first of all, we can say we get milk from animals like buffalo, cow, goat, camel. Such kind of animals give us milk, and that milk we are using as a food. Next one is meat. Meat of a animal people use as a food, and that meat they get from animals. Eggs of a hen we can use as a food, and that eggs we can get from animals only. Honey. Now you will say, sir, honey is animal. Yes, honey is an insect, but here we can consider as animals. We can get honey from honey bee. We can get honey from honey bee. So such kind of food items we can get from animals: meat, milk, meat, eggs, honey. Okay, and all the milk item like curd and curry. Okay, that we can get animals. So students, here we can say that there are some plants also that we can use as a medicine. There are some plants that we can use as a medicine. Will you tell me which plants we use as a medicine? Will you tell me? Who will tell? Yes, very good. Tulsi, mint, pudina, turmeric, ginger, such kind of plant, and it's part of a plant we can use as a medicine. Some plants root is very important, some plants leaves are very important for medicine, some plants stems also important for medicine. Let's see. Okay, so plants as a medicine. So we can use some plants as a medicine. First one is tulsi and mint. So tulsi and mint both is very important. When we are feeling cold or fever, at that time we can use tulsi. We can use tulsi's leaf as a medicine. for its cure. Mint. So mint is also very important for cough and cold. Mint leaves is also very important, and that we can have with our tea. Clove. Students, sometimes you are feeling paining in teeth. At that time you can use clove or its clove oil. Pudina. If you have any kind of stomach problem, stomach ache, at that time you can take pudina as a juice or with a tea. So you will be get solution from stomach ache. Ginger. Ginger is very important for cold and cough. You can have it with tea or making juice. You can have it. Turmeric. If you are injured, if you got fractured by an accident, at that time you can use turmeric as an antiseptic on our wound. So students, those are the important plants and that we can use as a medicine, like a tulsi, mint, clove, pudina, ginger, turmeric. Tulsi and mint for cough and cold, clove for toothache, pudina for stomach ache, ginger we can use for cough and cold also, turmeric we can use as an antiseptic when we got injured like fracture or any cuts. Okay, at that time we can use turmeric. So students, I hope here you understood that from where we can get food, which part of a plant important for our food, and which plant we can use as a medicine. We will see some exercise. Okay, exercise number 1, fill in the blanks. Here you have to fill the blanks with correct answer. First fill in the blanks is food that we eat need to be blank. What we should need to do. What we should do. Food that we eat need to be cooked. Food that we eat need to be cooked because cooked food becomes soft, tasty and easy to digest. Second one, food that we eat comes from blanks and blanks. From where we can get food, all kinds of food, mostly plants and animals. Food that we eat comes from plants and animal. We get blank and blank from plants. So we can get cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, flowers. That we can write here. We get fruits and vegetables. We get fruits and vegetables from plant. We can blank and blank from animals. Students, what we can get from animals? Milk, egg, meat, honey. Okay, so we can write here, we can get milk and eggs from animals. Okay, again, food that we eat need to be cooked. Food that we eat comes from plants and animals. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. We get milk and eggs from animals. 5 number, plant like blank and blank give us medicine. Students, we learned so many plants name like a mint, pudina, turmeric, ginger. Okay, so we can write here, plants like tulsi and mint gives us medicine. Plants like tulsi and mint gives us medicine. Okay, we see next exercise also. Next exercise, answer the following questions. Here some questions are given, you have to give its correct answer. It is mainly based on your family only. Okay, so you have to guess from your family. Who brings fruits and vegetables? In our family member, each and every family member doing different work. Okay, like mother is making food, father is going to job, brother going market for bringing some things, sister making food, she is cleaning floor, washing utensils, washing clothes. So such kinds of work. So here, who brings fruits and vegetables in your house? Yes, in my house, my mother is bringing fruits and vegetables. In your house, who is bringing vegetables and fruits, that you have to write. Here I am writing my mother brings fruits and vegetable in my house. Okay, my mother brings fruits and vegetables in my house. In your house, who is bringing? Your father, your brother, your sister, that you can write. Okay, let's see next questions. Who cooks food in your house? Our sister, elder sister is serving. Sometimes our mother is serving. So here I am writing who serves food in your house. In my house, that work also done by my mother. Okay, here we can see my mother serves food in my house. You can write your family member's name. Okay, we'll see next question. Who wash utensils in your house? So my sister wash utensils in my house. You can write your auntie, your mother, your anyone's names you can write. Okay. So my sister wash utensils in my house. 5 number, who does the maximum work in your family? Each and every family has two kind of people. One, those who is working best, one who is doing maximum work, and second one is doing minimum work. Suppose here we can say my father and mother both work maximum in my family. My father and mother both work maximum in my family. My mother and father both works maximum in my family. Who does the maximum work in your family? My mother and father both work maximum in my family. 6 number, who does minimum work in your family? Now the person who is doing minimum work, our grandfather, grandmother, small children, okay, they like grandfather, grandmother, small children, okay. So we can write here my grandfather work minimum in my family. Okay, that's why I am writing my grandfather works minimum in my family. So students, here we see some fill in the blanks and answer the following questions. I hope you get perfect knowledge about our food, from where we can get it, who is doing work in our family, who do not work, who work maximum, who work minimum, that we come to know. And from that lesson we can learn that we should do each and every work for helping our family members. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.